Inversions located in Gotham City. Did y'all have fun? Okay. So my guess in the queue area, when the air gates open, you have 5 seconds to step through and 10 seconds to walk through. Welcome to Firebird. You must be 54 or 70 inches tall. Please put all these articles in the cup, including hats, glasses, keys, bags, and back of shoes. Sit down, pull down, and buckle. All clear, dispatch. All clear means you're out of here. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride on Firebird. See you when you get back, if you make it back. Bye.
Come on, bro.